In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in M&T Bank credit card online. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in mtb.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of M&T Bank. You can see over here, you'll be able to find various options over here. At top, you'll be able to find the options like personal, business, commercial and platinum. Click on this option personal. Now in the personal interface, what you have to do is simply scroll down. You'll be able to find this kind of section over here. Click on this option credit cards that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access the options related with credit cards over here. Right over here, you'll be able to find various options. At first, you'll be able to find this option for manage your cards. What you have to do is click on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to manage your cards. For that, you'll have to log in to your account. So click on this option login that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be able to log in to your account. All you have to do is enter your user ID. Click on the field of user ID and provide the user ID over here. If you want this browser to remember your user ID, check on this box, remember user ID. Now after you enter the user ID, click on the continue option that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Go ahead and enter your password. If you have enabled the two-factor authentication, you'll also have to go through the authentication process. After you do that, you'll be logged into your account and you'll be able to manage and access your credit cards. So that is how you log in M&T Bank credit cards account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.